This order is for Peyton from her Auntie Emmy. She ordered 2 scoops and her favorite color is purple. Two canvas bags. I exchanged one for this limited edition Kirby plushie bag. Four notebooks. Plus 2 more. 1 file folder. Plus 1 more. 3 scenery stickers. Let's add 1 more. Two highlighters. Two mini notebooks. This Marumo Fubiori one has a hard cover. Plus 4 more. One eraser. Plus 2 more. These blind bag ones are so fun. Ooh, 3 pens. Plus 2 more. 1 clear pouch. Plus this mini one. 1 memo pad. This design has 4 styles in one. 1 mechanical pencil. I love this one. It's a blind box mechanical pencil. One washi tape. One mouse pad. Three plush charms. I exchanged one for this plush keychain. Two mini charms. I love that Kuromi's dressed as a fellow nurse in this one. Plus 3 more. One bookmark. Peyton, are you a reader too? Because I gave you 2 extras. One wallet. Looks like I missed this other wallet bead. So I exchanged it for this coin purse. Two hair clips. I exchanged one for this plush scrunchie. One coin purse. She already got one, so I exchanged it for this plush pencil bag. 1 comb. This is our signature Oli and Ruby Co comb. 1 claw clip. Plus 1 more. 1 card holder. Plus 1 more. 1 bricks. Plus 1 more. 1 sticky note. Plus 2 more. 1 Taba squishy. Plus 1 more. I love this glittery one. 1 bracelet. Plus 1 more. Ooh, my favorite, 5 acrylic clips. I hope you love everything, Peyton. Thank you so much.